the TV.
No, I don't care. I'm just letting you know. Okay, so we're starting right outside the toilet. This is where it like dives and goes down the corner of the house. Right there, I want you to see this. Right here is where the plastic meets the concrete sewer. Remember how I was talking to you about that earlier? Right? And there's roots growing right there. That's totally where it backed up. And then look, it's fine after that, as you can see. Right? So what I'm going to do, oh, there's another big one. You guys need the city main. So that's like right. Oh, you have a very interesting sewer line.
Say that again.
You have a very interesting sewer line. Wait. Okay, so right here, you got a lot of roots going on. There's a really good way to clean this out. It's with what's called a jetter, right? The best way to do that is through a clean out outside, right? You don't want to put them inside of closet flanges, they get stuck. And what it is, it shoots 3,000 psi water jets, like, and around the radial of the pipe, and it'll considerably clean this up. You may not get rid of all of it, but it's going to open it up a lot. Now, as you see, as I pull my camera back, see how much of the pipe's being obstructed from all those roots. Now, where the actual block was, where I cleared it, that's a bad one too. Where I cleared it, I'll show you. Right there. That's where it all caught. What we're going to do,
those are all roots right there.
I'm going to pause this real quick.